The Justice Department is asking the Supreme Court to remove temporary legal protections from 350,000 Venezuelans in America, which could lead to their deportation. The temporary protected status allows people already in the U.S. to live and work legally because their native countries are too unsafe to return to. The status order was set to expire on April 7th, but was extended for concerns of the immigrants' safety and the economic impact of their departure. A federal appeals court rejected the administration's request. In a similar but unrelated case, a federal judge is rejecting the Trump administration's push for the Alien Enemies Act. A judge ruled that the 1978 law cannot be applied to Venezuelans alleged to be part of the gang Tren de Aragua. The Trump-appointed judge's opinion found that Trump's usage of the Alien Enemies Act, which is meant to apply to an invading army, exceeds the scope of the statute. The Alien Enemies Act was only invoked during the War of 1812, World War I, and World War II. Well, over 1,000 immigrants have been deported in the last week in Florida alone. It's all part of an initiative called Operation Tidal Wave. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says the effort involves specific agreements that allows local law enforcement officials to execute immigration arrests on behalf of the federal government. The individuals targeted reportedly faced final deportation orders, while others were detained on outstanding arrest warrants for previous offenses. Governor DeSantis says he believes Florida's immigration enforcement has had a significant impact.
But this has been the first of its kind throughout the United States. This is the largest immigration enforcement operation that we've seen in quite some time throughout the entire country.
Some immigrant advocates say some had no criminal records and were seeking asylum or had work permits. Advocates say most arrests were by local police officers and state highway patrol troopers, not ICE. And ICE officials are also recruiting the help of the United States Postal Workers to detain and deport illegal immigrants. The U.S. Postal Service's Inspection Service program already takes photos of parcels, envelopes, and surveillance systems. Those images could then be used to track illegal immigration issues. USPS could also provide credit card and website data. This comes after President Trump signed an executive order requiring federal agencies to assist the immigration probes.